They're rich. Yeah, oxtail stew. What's up with it, family? I am finally back. It's your boy, that boy can cook, back at you, in the place, in your face, still dropping delicious, simple recipes. And you know it's cold out there. We're in wintertime. So today we're gonna make us some oxtail stew, baby. Right, so real quick, this is everything we're gonna need. Let's run over it real quick. We got the famous oxtails, of course. We're gonna season that with some salt and pepper. We got some beef base. We got bell pepper. We got celery. We got onions. Got a bay leaf. Got some beef broth. Got some olive oil. And we also have our potatoes and carrots. Now let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, let's get our oxtails seasoned. Just regular kosher salt, and of course black pepper. And you want to season them pretty generously. It's a pretty big cut of meat. So just make sure we get them seasoned well on all ends, all sides. And I did trim the fat off of it. I washed them, trimmed the fat. I just wanted to kind of speed up the process of the video, so that's why I didn't show them being trimmed, as well as the vegetables. All right, as you can see, we got these oxtails beautifully seasoned, baby, all the way around. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take us some flour, and we're not gonna just drench it in it. We just want to get a light coat on all of the sides of the oxtail as we start to add our veggies and we start to deglaze our pan. Okay, so we're gonna add us about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, or whichever kind of oil you choose to use. We're gonna allow that to heat. All right, family, so now that our oil is hot, we can go ahead and get our oxtails in there. As you can see, my stove is tilted. I really hate that sometimes when you got an uneven stove, because all of your liquids will flow to that side, but we're gonna work around it and we're gonna make it happen anyway. Next time I'll probably just get out my tabletop stove. It'll be more level. We're just gonna give these a sear. If I can get them to stand up, there we go. And if I have to move them around, I'll move them around, or you can lift your pot up, get some of that oil under the other ones, and it'll still sear like that. So I'm gonna sear them on all sides. The tops, the bottom, and the sides. I'm gonna show you what it looked like when we come here. Got a nice little crust on there already. We're gonna lock in all the juices and the flavors. That's a good one right there too. That's what you want right there. All right, let's get this other one turned over. Same thing. Good little sear. Yeah, there we go. Nice, good sear. Throw your celery in there, throw your bell peppers, and onions. Saute these for about 1.5 to 3 minutes. We're gonna hit it with a little salt and pepper. So we're just gonna get these sauteed down. All right, we got our veggies where we need them to be. Now we're gonna throw some of this beef base in there. So let's just get this in here. And then we're gonna, like everything else, mix it up. Make sure you coat your veggies in your beef broth. Not your beef broth, your beef base, forgive me. You wanna move kind of quick. You don't want it to stick and to burn. So as you can see, All the veggies are well coated. Now let's deglaze. 2 cups of water. There we go. See how they come right on down. Let's just give everything a mix. And make sure you preheat your oven to 375 degrees because these are going in the oven, baby. Low and slow. So let's get our oxtails into our delicious mixture. There we go. Make sure we cover it. So we're gonna add us 2 more cups of water, 4 cups in all. We have it covered. Probably add a little bit more water just to make sure the top of the meat here is covered. Pop a lid on it. We're gonna bring it to a boil. Then we're gonna take it from the top of the stove. We're gonna place it in our preheated oven, and we're gonna cook that for about an hour to an hour and a half. All right, family, we should be at where we need it to be. Yep, there it is. All right, now we're just gonna give it just a little stir around, you know. There you go, and it'll help sink the oxtails. Get them fully submerged. Get it in the oven, baby. There you go, be careful because it's hot. There we go. That's what we got up in there. That's what we got working right now. We got one more step, and we're gonna be all done. Look at that. We're gonna thicken up that liquid. Gonna have us a nice little gravy for our stew. All right, family. And at this point, you can taste your broth if you want to. Make sure it's seasoned how you need it to be. Yeah. All right, so what we're gonna do is push some of these oxtails out the way. We'll add us a couple of tablespoons of cornstarch. It's gonna thicken up our liquid. So just gonna mix that on in. Don't worry, it'll dissolve all the way through. Could have made a slurry. That way I would have added some water and cornstarch. I wouldn't have had to do all of this. I just took the lazy way, I guess. All right. So we got that in now. Throw our potatoes and carrots in now. Let's get them in there, mix it up. There we go. Let's add us some beef broth. So we're gonna put about a cup and a half of beef broth. Give it a good mix. Bay leaf in there, bye y'all. And we're gonna put the top back on it. And we're gonna put it back in the oven. About another hour and a half, baby. And that's gonna be it. That's gonna be all. We're gonna have some delicious oxtail stew, y'all. Yeah. In a minute. I think we ready. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Look at that. They're rich. Yeah, oxtail stew. Look at that bone right there. Meat coming from the bone. That potato out of the way. Get off of there. There we go. Yeah. Nice and tender. Give it the fork test. tender. Check this out. Oh, look at that. They good tender oxtail meat. Yeah. All right, family, that is it. That is all. Just made us some delicious oxtail stew, y'all. Check us out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's that oxtail stew on some rice. You can do it with rice. You can do it with mashed potatoes. Or you can just eat them by yourself, baby. They just that delicious. Let's check out the tender part. See if we got something going on. Let's see if we got something going on. Get you a little closer. There it is. Oh, look at that. Come right out of there. Come right out of there. Ooh. It's tasty. That's it right there. Full of flavor, baby. Full of flavor. That's that oxtail dinner. Oxtail stew, baby. Forgive me, when it's cold outside, we got that oxtail stew. Delicious, hearty, flavorful, easy to make. Just put everything together, pop it in the oven, set your timer, sit back, relax, chill, and you're gonna have some delicious oxtails. All right, family. Like this video, hit the like button. If you found value in this video, or if it's your first time coming to That Boy Can Cook, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn them notification bells on so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Because we doing it. We most definitely doing it. Yeah. That Boy Can Cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm back.